Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford Everest, stock number 7292. It's run from the 7th 2015 to the 5th 2022. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.